Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm be doing a install on the Wrx. I believe this might be a must-need mod for the STI wing or STI style wing. So I have a Wrx, but I installed the STI wing on it. So it being aftermarket and everything, it's not going to be, factory. So I have noticed that, highway speeds, it moves around a little bit whenever I'm going around like 80 miles an hour or so. So I bought these, the perrin wing stabilizer. So I received the package today, so pretty excited about that. No more, wobbling or shaking. I wouldn't do it a lot. It's just in high speeds, driving normal through the streets, no problem whatsoever. So I ended up getting two. I was thinking of going with the three, but I think two would be a cleaner look. So let's go ahead and unbox it real quick. So the packaging itself is really good. I kind of opened it already just to see one, but here, let me show you. So yeah, it comes in a box, comes with all this paper. Said really good. So all of this was actually inside this box, but like I said, I was too anxious, so I opened it all up. But it comes with 3M. My guess is these are instructions. Yep, there you go. See, wing stabilizer, perrin. And then, oh, you got some stickers as well. All right, so let's get it. Here's the box I opened. Like I said, I ordered two. So let's go ahead and open this. So like I said, they package it really nice, to make sure nothing really broken. Sit this down. So yeah, here it is. Alright, so first thing you want to do in installing these is you want to just add the 3M. Very simple. This one's already done. Shout out to my mom. She's doing the other one. Really simple. It comes with 4 each, so it's more than enough. So what you want to do is just clean the surface, the top and the bottom, and you just you lay it down. So for the top one, you do have to cut, but grab scissors, no big deal. And that's simple as that. Alright guys, so last time I kinda got distracted in filming, but the stabilizers are installed now and they're very sturdy. It does what it's supposed to do. So as far as installing them, it wasn't too hard. The most struggle I had was kinda lining them up in the middle, where I wanted them. That's where it's gonna take a little bit more of your time. The other thing that was kind of hard to do was peel off the red tape from the 3M, just because it gets a tight fit and it can be a little bit of a struggle. But all you need is some patience and you'll be good to go. All you need is patience. But yeah, fitment's really good on them. No gaps. Yes, the car is very dirty. Try to wash it, but it's under trees, so it gets a lot of pollen. But we'll wash it soon enough. I also wanted to install some fog lights, so that's what I'm gonna do too. Just because this is kind of a easy, simple install to do as well. So let me show you the fog lights I got. Fog lights are in this box. Go ahead and unbox these. not drop them though. So here they are, some regular fog lights. We're gonna go with the you know, the cool white, so it can kind of match the headlights itself. Cause right now they're orange, and I kind of don't like the orange, if I'm being honest. So that's why I got these. All right, so before I install the fog lights, I just want to show you how they look real quick, so I can show you the difference. So, can you see the color? Yeah, you can kind of see it. So right now the top ones, you know, I changed to LEDs as well. They're 6K. You know, they have that blue, and then the fog lights are yellow, or yellow, orange, whatever you want to call them. So we're gonna be switching those out. Funny thing is, I was driving home, and my mom, she was driving as well unexpectedly, and she kind of made fun of me for having them that color. So that very night, I ordered the fog lights. So, you know. But yeah, let's get to it. Easy as that. So, you can see the LED there. Now let's see how they look in the car. Boom. Much better. Much better. So these should match the headlights themselves. So very easy. It took me like maybe less than 5 minutes to do this side. So now time to change this one. Alright, so that's probably gonna be the video for today. I'll try to get some rolling shots. I'm not too sure. I need to hit up some people to help me. But hope you guys really enjoyed the video. As far as the stabilizers, I really recommend them. The quality is really good on them, and it will do very beneficial, especially if you have an aftermarket wing on it, like I do. Because on the freeway speeds it will wobble a bit, but I've been driving around with these, and I've gone pretty fast, so eliminated the wobbling from the wing. So it'll make it last longer, and it kind of makes it a little more aggressive from the rear. So that's also a big plus. And then for these fog lights, they're also, I'm pretty sure, gonna make a big difference at night. So let me show you. So that's the finished product. So it looks much cleaner, all one color. I'm not too sure how bright they are, just because there's still light out, but I'll let y'all know. As far as everything, that's it for today. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Leave a like.